Hello, it's me, it's Pat the Potato. Guess what? I just got an Amazon show. Yeah, it's a video thing that I can watch things on and talk to and say, hello. Want me to try it? Okay then, are you ready? Yeah. Alexa! 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 She's not listening to me at the moment, yeah? Alexa! 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 It's not working! I'm gonna go kick it in the face. Yeah, just 2 seconds. Yeah, that might sort it. Alexa! It's still not working. I think it's broken. Alright, I'll try on next video. See you in a bit. Bye! Yeah, this is the second one to Alexa. Second part anyway, yeah? We'll try it as the second part. Try anything first and second and whatever. Right, you ready? Yeah? We'll talk to Alexa, right? Alexa! Alexa! She's not listening! She's not listening. Right. Alexa! 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 She's like a dog that don't listen. She's like, whoa, 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 whoa. Come here, doggy. Whoa, 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 whoa. She's not listening. Alexa! Alexa! Hello, Alexa! Alexa, 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 Alexa! They're not working. Alright, we'll try again in a minute. 10 a bit, 2 minutes, bye. We've had to, unplug her, yeah? Throw her around the farm a bit, yeah? And then plug her back in. We mud all over her. See if she works there. Then, or whatever. Yeah, know what I mean. Alright, ready? Yeah. Alexa! 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 Do it in a different voice. Alexa! Do it in a squeaky voice. Alexa! Hello? Really? You're doing it in a voice like this? I think I've got helium. Ready? Alexa! Alexa! Hello?
Hello, Pat, the Potato.
That's me!
Hope that you are okay.
I'm fine, thank you.
You are so funny and people should subscribe to your channel for updates.
Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, like and all that lot. Yeah, so you have to do a weird English voice. That's strange, innit?